Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to change your birthday on your Snapchat account. Before you begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So changing your birthday on Snapchat is very simple and straightforward. To change it, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Now tap on your profile photo at the top left of the screen. Then tap on the settings icon at the top right. Now tap on birthday and then tap on your birth date again. From here, you can now go ahead and change it. Down below, you'll get an option to select your new birthday. Press continue once you've completed it. Confirm the prompt by tapping on OK. And that is how to change your birthday on your Snapchat account. If you have any questions for me, then please do not forget to add in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.